Today we're going to make vegan cocoa energy balls. So let's get started. I've had this recipe for a long time and honestly don't remember where I got it. Either way, these are all the ingredients you're going to need right here. You need 1 cup of raw cocoa nibs, 1 cup of cashews, approximately 16 dates, 2 teaspoons of mesquite flour, a half teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, at least a half teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, more to your particular liking, a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, I'll be using pink Himalayan sea salt, and 3 teaspoons of pure coconut oil. Put all of your ingredients except for the coconut oil in your blender or food processor and give it a good blend. This is the basic consistency that you're looking for. Now warm your coconut oil until it's liquefied and get ready to add it. Once the coconut oil is added, blend it all together again, and this should be your final consistency. Everything should have firmed up nicely. Now you can go ahead and proceed to make your energy balls. This is a medium-sized baking tray, and as you can see, here's the yield you'll get from this recipe. Each one of the balls is just slightly smaller than a golf ball. Once formed like this, I take the energy balls and place them in the refrigerator and let them chill for about an hour. After that, I individually wrap each energy ball in a piece of wax paper, put them all inside of a plastic bag, and then I put them in the freezer. They will keep for a very long time. Well, that's it. These Vega Cocoa Energy Balls are a great little boost before any solid workout and should give you energy if you're out on the trail. Hopefully this recipe gave you some ideas, and if it did, well, you know I'd appreciate that thumbs up like. Leave a comment below if you decide to make these cocoa energy balls yourself. Let me know how they turned out. And maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.